Hello. Are you scared? It's okay. Come on out. I heard you like them. Okay, this cat is completely frozen. Are you frozen? Are you terrified? It's okay. It's okay. Oh my God, you look so scared. It's okay, Magic. Oh, you scared me. Jesus. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. Magic is petrified right now. You're so cute. Your eyeballs are massive. You're very nervous. Magic is here because I think you're a boy. He is matted. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my God. He's making me sad. Let's see if I can get a picture of you. Now, Magic is a 2-year-old domestic long hair, and he's here because he has matting in his, I think, his armpits here. Yeah, I feel it. Not so much on this side, only on the other side. It's a bit odd. Okay, it's okay, Magic. It's okay. Please don't annihilate me. I just wanted to feel. Okay? Can I see? Oh, they are short. Somebody already clipped these. Well, that's good. And you also do have some compacted hair that needs to be brushed out. So I think what I'm gonna do here is shave out his matting, and then I am going to comb him out all over. And if all goes well, he will go for a bath. He is a little bit stinky and he certainly has some dry skin, so I think he could benefit from a bath. But of course, that's only going to be if he's pretty calm for everything. She said that you like your tubes, but you have no interest in tubes right now because you're scared. Do you roll over? Wow, look at that. Okay, let's see if I can shave here. Okay. Okay, I know you're scared. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. I have never seen such a terrified little face in my life. Good boy. I'm gonna have to turn you. Good boy, buddy. Oh, please don't scratch me. Please don't. I'm trying to help. Keep this paw to yourself. Okay. I'm going to use my slicker brush a little bit, and then I will go over him with the cat carding butter comb. So you guys have seen me use this on my channel many times. The cool thing about this comb, works great on short-haired cats, medium-haired cats, and long-haired cats. So it's kind of an essential tool that you really want, despite what kind of cat you have, because when you see on Cleo, even though she was a short-haired cat, she was not self-grooming. Now, she is an older cat, but that could also be because she was found very young, and cats learn from their mother and their siblings on how to care for themselves. So sometimes when they're taken away from their mother or their siblings very young, certain things like self-grooming, they end up lacking at because they didn't really learn those life tools, right? So this comb works great despite the type of cat that you have. It's a staple, and if you have a cat, you should have this. So at some point in your cat's life, even if they've been great self-groomers, they may stop self-grooming. So the reason why this tool is great is because of the way that its teeth are shaped. It has short teeth and long teeth, and the short teeth help to grip that undercoat while the long teeth helps to comb the coat, which inevitably means you're able to get rid of a lot of that shedding undercoat, which is what turns into matting most of the time. So I use this comb all of the time. When it comes to the EquiGroomer, I would not use the EquiGroomer on a cat like this with this long, dense coat, because it's really not going to be able to remove as much of that undercoat as a slicker brush and a metal comb would. So if you have a long-haired cat like this, now it's not all long-haired cats. Some long-haired cats the EquiGroomer is great on, but this one in particular I know it's not going to work on. It depends what type of long hair you have, basically. But for this cat, I would suggest the slicker brush and metal comb, and for a short-haired cat or shorter hair than this, I would recommend the slicker brush, the metal comb, and the EquiGroomer. And all of these tools can be found on my website, girlwiththedogs.com. Even though this is probably going to be a longer bath and blow dry because of how much hair this cat has, it's going to be a very easy brush out. Other than underneath the chest area, that was the only spot that was matted. You have a ton of dry skin. You can definitely use a bath, that's for sure. I do trust this cat a little more than the average cats that I groom. I can already tell is, even though he's scared, he's a pretty laid back cat. I was told that his sister, who was Cleo, that I did for Channel 1, was potentially going to be difficult, but she was also really, really good. So these are very laid back cats. This guy here, when he was a kitten and not old enough to leave his mother, he was found on the owner's farm. I think she said suckling to manure or something like that. So she took her in, or sorry, the owner took him in and has been her cat ever since. So that was 2 years ago. Look at you, dry skin boy. Okay, that side is good. I need to turn you to the other side. You good kitty? These cats have never been professionally groomed before, so I'm kind of surprised by how well they are tolerating everything, considering that. You have a very dense coat. Very dense. Can I see here? You're a little bit stinky, buddy. You smell like pee. Cats tend to, not all cats, but a lot of cats tend to pee in their carrier on their way somewhere because they're nervous, and then they come in here and they stink. And it depends on the carrier, but this particular carrier that he came in is fabric, so I can't really clean it and put him back in it. Obviously, if it's like a hard carrier, I can wash it out. But with this one I can't, so it kind of sucks because they end up going into a carrier that stinks. So hopefully it is dry and he doesn't go home smelling like pee after I've just bathed him. But that's why it's kind of nice to have hard carriers with cats and maybe put a pee pad in there. That way it can just be switched out and your cat doesn't have to go back into a dirty crate. He is a very vocal cat, but since being in here, he's so nervous that he's not saying anything. He's not talking at all. Maybe he'll talk in the bath, we shall see. So on October 25th at 7 p.m., I am hosting an online coffee and chat, basically. So you can join via a Zoom link. You do have to buy tickets for this on my website. It is not the Girl with the Dogs website. It is the Barely a Dog Rescue website. So if you buy tickets for this, you can join the Zoom call basically, and it's just where people are able to chat with me, ask me questions, all of that kind of stuff, and we'll just chill for a bit. I'll answer your questions, and all proceeds go to my rescue, Barely a Dog Rescue. So if you want to be a part of that, check it out on barelyadogrescue.com, and don't forget to grab your tickets. Okay, I think you are ready for a bath. You sniff? Do you want to try some tubes before we go in the bath? No, she said you really liked them. She even brought her own tubes. I feel like he just needed a moment to realize that he was safe, and now he's happy to have his tubes. Good boy. Eat them any slower, buddy. All right, let's go for a bath. See what happens. I don't think he's going to like this. Can you freeze like you did on the table? Oh, don't get your face in there, buddy. Good boy. Don't jump on my face, okay? You have the most worried face I've ever seen. You're okay. You're okay. You got this. Good boy. You're very dirty. No, no, no. You have to stay. Good boy. It's okay. Don't do it. No jumping. I see you thinking about it. It's almost over. You're almost rinsed. You're kind of funny. You're a funny little cat. Frozen. I do want to put some conditioner on him because he's a little bit dry. And since he's doing pretty well in the bath, I think he'll be okay for this. I'm sorry. I have to put some conditioner on you, and then you'll be free. See, this is what happens if you're well behaved in the bath. If you were bad, then you wouldn't have to be conditioned. You're being a good boy. Yes. Where do these cats come from that are just so chill? Especially cats that have never been professionally groomed before. Like, what the heck? Who are you? I guess he's endured worse, suckling on manure. No cat really likes being groomed, but I actually think this cat might be enjoying it a little bit. Just the way his body has kind of relaxed. He just seems to be kind of like, oh, this isn't, ooh. Okay, he's going to sleep. What are you doing? You just over it? Okay, I'm gonna give you a towel dry, buddy. I am going to put him in the rage cage since he is doing so well, because this coat is just crazy thick. It's never gonna dry in the hair fryer. A lot of people ask me why I stopped naming it the Easy Bake Oven, and not that I had any issues with this, because I didn't, but I just came to realize that that was kind of copyright. And I was like, oh, I probably shouldn't be calling it that. I wasn't really thinking, so that's why I stopped calling it that. So now it is the hair fryer. If you have a better name for it and you want to name it something even funnier, feel free to leave names for it in the comment section. I'm always happy to change the names of things because it's quite funny. What are you doing? Just enjoying your spa day? Okay. Are you enjoying your bath? This water is repulsive. Oh my God, it is so dirty. Yeah, I'm really glad we bathed him. He really needed it. Okay. Okay. Okay, buddy, you're almost done. Would you like more tube? Come on. It's okay. It's okay. I know you didn't like the blow dryer. You told me earlier that you liked it. Okay, fine. Fine, we will come back to that. I just need to brush you out, and then you're good, and you can go home, okay? You did excellent. Very good. Still a tad bit stinky, but I would say 100% better than you were. So as I was blow drying him, I noticed no matting basically anywhere. There's like one little spot on his back leg that I need to work on, but he is completely brushed out before the bath. So the blow dryer helped to loosen up some of this shedding undercoat, but he does not have any matting left. Good boy, buddy. You're a good cat. Don't run away. You're a nice boy. I know you're getting frustrated with me, but you're doing your best to be nice about it. Can I roll you over? Can I roll you over? Can we do a roll? A little roll. Thank you. Okay. You're all done, buddy. All done. If you guys liked today's video and you want to support more complimentary grooms just like Magic's, don't forget to hit that follow or subscribe button and share with all of your friends. Thank you all so much for watching. This might be one of the best cats ever on the channel. I hope you enjoyed him because I enjoyed grooming him, and I will see you again in a few days. Gotta go in your house. Come on. There you go. Thank you. Please come again.